Hi everyone, it's John here again. I'm just going to go through a quick video on what to have as a car first aid kit. I got this little kit many years ago now, which is still serving alright. I'm not going to flip it over because it may interfere with the copyright because it's got a company name on it. What I've actually got is 3 sterile pads, which is very handy to have. 2 large bandages and 2 small, which is always handy to have, like for hands, fingers and wrists, if you want something a little bit larger like an arm or a leg. 1 little eye patch, which is always handy to have. Just a little tube of saline solution. Just an antiseptic cleaning wipe, and of course just a few little gloves. On the other side, just a couple of bandages and a pair of scissors. Now you're probably wondering why I've got some old tea towels here. The surprising thing is, since they're being cotton, and as you will know, they're fairly large, they're absolutely fantastic. Like if you've got a scraped forearm, these make great bandages to do an entire forearm or a leg, which is very, very handy to have. And of course, you know, they're fairly cheap. I got these from one of our $2 shops. You get what, 2 or 3 for $2 or $3, so you're not going to be too concerned if you lose it. Now, what the good thing that I've done was I found this old black bag, which I'm not really using, which I can just throw the whole lot in. Open the whole lot up. The whole lot can actually just virtually just drop in. Zip the thing up, and you got a great little carry handle, which makes things a hell of a lot easier. You can hang it, if you've got an SUV or something, or a 4-wheel drive, you can hang it up on top of something, or you can just put it in the back seat or the boot. I hope you found this video useful, and as always, please have a great day, and as always, have a good day and play safe.